Hello children, today we will see the book exercise of your lesson 5, that is Nani Walks to the Park. So open page number 36 and be ready with your pencils. So first is understanding the story, that is match the correct lane to the reason for its name. So children, you already know now that when Nani was going to the park, she went through all different kinds of lanes. So here we will match that which lane stands for which thing. Okay. So first is lane of friendship. So here we know that there Nani's friends used to live. So you match it with this one. This is where Nani's old friend lives. This is number 1. Second, lane of magic. So here, this lane is covered in flowers and looks like a magic carpet. This is number 2. Lane of treasures. So here, it has the market where everything is sold. So this one is number 3. Lane of happiness. Lane of happiness is watching the cats and dogs drink milk here makes Nani happy. So this one is number 4. Lane of mischief. So the first one which is given here, this is where many children laugh, play and have fun. So this is number 5. So I'll just read out the sequence. 5, 1, 4, 3, 2. Okay. Next is answer these questions. So question answers you will get it as a PDF and you can write it in your classwork copy. Now next is page number 37. Look at the pictures in A, read the names in B, complete the sentences in C. Okay, so in A block there are some pictures given, B block some names are given, and C some fill in the blanks are given. So let us see. Okay, before children doing this exercise, I want to tell you a little bit about apostrophe. Okay, apostrophe S, you might have heard apostrophe S. So when do we use this apostrophe S? We use this after a noun to show belongingness, that something belongs to someone. If I say that this book is mine, okay, or if you can say this book is of teacher. So instead of saying like this, you can say this is teacher's book, T-E-A-C-H-E-R, then you put apostrophe S. This is teacher's book, means what? The book belongs to the teacher. Okay, so we use apostrophe S to show the belongingness, possessiveness, or something belongs to someone. Okay, now let's see this. First one is, this is Sarah's ball. Sarah's ball means what? This ball belongs to Sarah. So you can see that here S-A-R-A-H apostrophe S is given. It means that apostrophe S is showing the belongingness. Okay. Second, these are dash shoes. Now what you will fill it here? Karan's shoes. K-A-R-A-N apostrophe S. Karan's shoes. This is dash cat. Now, Amir name is given, so you will write this is Amir's cat. A-M-I-R apostrophe S. These are dash books. Now these are Sam's book. S-A-M apostrophe S. Sam's books. This is dash doll. Ritu's, R-I-T-U apostrophe S. Ritu's doll. These are dash pencils. Now these are Dina's, D-I-N-A apostrophe S. Dina's pencils. Next, turn your page. Look at these pictures and complete these sentences. Use the words in brackets for help. The first one is given. This is my, now see in bracket, cat box. 2 words are given. So using these 2 words, you can write, make sentence cat's box. It means cat apostrophe S, cat's box. It means what? That this box belongs to the cat. Now second one, this is a dash. Now in bracket, peacock feather. So it means that this feather belongs to peacock. So how you can write using apostrophe S? This is a peacock's feather. P-E-A-C-O-C-K apostrophe S. Peacock's feather. F-E-A-T-H-E-R. Feather. This is a dash. Now this burrow belongs to rabbit. Okay. So you will write this is a rabbit's burrow. R-A-B-B-I-T apostrophe S. Rabbit's burrow. B-U-R-R-O-W. Burrow means this home belongs to rabbit. This is my friend's house. F-R-I-E-N-D apostrophe S. Friend's house. Now fifth one. This is my brother's bag. B-R-O-T-H-E-R apostrophe S. Brother's bag. Sixth one is, these are the farmer's cow. F-A-R-M-E-R apostrophe S. Farmer's cows. Okay. Now next we see about possessive adjectives. Okay. So children, possessive word means again belongingness. Okay. If I say this is my book. Whose book? My book. So my word is showing that belongingness. Okay. That this belongs to me. Like you will see here, Nani gives her friend a hug. Whose friend? Her friend. So this her word is showing possessiveness. I like your lanes. Whose lanes? Your lanes. Nani pours milk into their bowls. Whose bowls? Their bowls. So we use words like my, your, his, her, are, their and its before a noun. Okay, these words are used before a noun and it shows what? It shows that the something belongs to someone. Now choose the correct word in the box to complete the answer. So see, in the box it is given their, her, his, my, your, are. So there we use for plural cases when there is something or people are more than one. Her singular for female, his again singular for male, my means the first person, for your for second person for the person we are speaking to, and our means first person plural. Is this Reena's bag? Yes, this is her bag. Because Reena is a female, so we will use her for Reena. Does this shop belong to Jatin and Samir? Yes, this is their shop. T-H-E-I-R. Why there? Because there are two persons plural, Jatin and Samir. Is that your eraser? No, this is not my eraser. Does this guitar belong to you and your sister? Yes, that's our guitar, because here again plural are there, you and your sister means two persons are there, so you will say our. Which is my notebook? Here this is your notebook. See children, when question is asked and the answer is given, it's like here it is which is my notebook, here my, and in answer it is your. Because when we ask question, the answer, the one who is giving the answer, he will not say or she will not say my. He will say your. This is your notebook. Is that Guru's cycle? No, that's not his cycle. Okay. So I repeat, first one is her, second their, third my, fourth our, fifth your, and sixth his. Now turn your page number 40. Match the sentence with the correct places. We come here to watch football and cricket matches. So where do we go? Stadium. So number 1 is stadium. My family and I come here on Sundays to buy things or watch films. Sometimes we eat here too. So it is mall. You go with your parents now to mall for shopping and for eating. So second one is mall. My family, friends and I live here. My school is also here. So third one is city. I come here to read or borrow books. So where do you go to read books? Do you go to library? The fourth one is library. My family and I come here when we are sick. We see doctors and nurses here. So where do we go when we are sick? We go to hospital. So fifth one is hospital. So I read out the sequence: 2, 3, 5, 1, 4. So children, this was the book exercise, and you all will fill the book exercise and you will learn it. Thank you.